Okay, so I brought my boys up in the canyon to, of course, get off their gaming, and we just threw up some hammocks. So there's some great light here right now, and I'm just gonna show you a few things. Here's our little Caters in the hammock, and I love how that light's hitting behind him right now, and kind of, are you asleep, Kate? Anyway, can you see that as I'm moving and kind of tipping the angle of my phone? I'm letting a little bit of sun in. You can see a little bit of sun flare. You can do that with your photos. So play with your angles on your phone and let the light come in. Okay, so you're gonna remember to tap your subject. Now see that AE lock? Remember, you can go up and down and bring in more light or less light. And I don't like to overexpose things, so sometimes the middle is just fine. Now play with the angles. So see how you can kind of play with that light, move a little bit. You're the photographer, you're the one who needs to be moving. And then just snap. I do not know why my live is on right now. I hate live. Okay, sorry guys.